Hello students, today we shall learn about articles. Articles and prepositions and conjunctions are called determiners. They determine some relation between words. Articles are three: a, an, and the. Articles in reality are adjectives in some sort of use. Like adjectives, they are placed before nouns or names only. Articles a, an, or the are placed before nouns only. Though articles a or an are sometimes placed before a group of words also. Articles a and an are called indefinite articles. Indefinite, not definite, indefinite. And the article the is called definite article. It can be considered that a and an are somewhat shortened forms of one because they denote one thing, person or place. Article the, the, can be considered as shortened form of that because it is used before particular, specific or unique name. The means that particular. Now, uses of article a. A and an are indefinite articles. They are used before countable common nouns. Now, the countable common nouns beginning with a consonant sound take article a before them. For example, a boy. A boy means one boy, one out of so many. A girl means one girl, one out of so many. A cat, a bat, a monkey, a donkey, like that. Now, if a noun begins with a vowel in spelling, but it is pronounced with a consonant sound. It takes article A before it. Mark it well. For example, a union. A union begins with vowel letter, but it is pronounced with consonant sound U. So, a union, one union out of so many unions. A university, it is spelled with beginning U letter, UNIVERSITY, but it is pronounced as university, U. So it takes an article A before it. A university. A university means one university out of so many. Similarly, a one-way road. O-N-E, one-way road. One-way road begins with vowel O, but it is pronounced with consonant sound one way. So, we should use article A before it, a one-way road. Similarly, a European. European, E-U-R-O-P-E-A-N, begins with a vowel, but it is pronounced with a consonant sound, European, U. Therefore, it takes article A before it. A European means one European out of so many. Similarly, a 1 rupee note, like a one-way road, we have a one-way rupee note. Here, this word begins with vowel, but it is pronounced with the consonant sound 1 rupee. Therefore, we should use article A before it. A 1 rupee note. Out of so many notes, a useful work. Useful. U-S-E-F-U-L, W-O-R-K. Useful work. This begins with a vowel letter, but it is pronounced with a consonant sound. Therefore, we use article A useful, U. A useful work. After so many works, a useful work. Now, use of article N. It is used before nouns beginning with a vowel sound. Now, pronunciation or beginning sound is to be considered properly. For example, an apple, an orange, an umbrella, an aeroplane, an egg, an elephant, an Englishman. Now in case of hour, an hour, H-O-U-R, though the word hour begins with H letter, the first letter, but it is pronounced as hour. A is a vowel sound. Therefore, we use article N, an hour. Similarly, honest man. Honest word begins with a consonant Honest, but it is pronounced as honest. O is a vowel sound. Therefore, it takes article an. An honest man. Out of so many men, an honest man. Similarly, an MLA. MLA means Member of Legislative Assembly. MLA. MLA means Member of Legislative Assembly. An MLA. MLA abbreviation begins with consonant M, but it is pronounced M-A, the vowel sound. Therefore, we should use article an before it. An MLA, an MA, an MSc, an MCom, Master of Commerce, an FRCS, abbreviation FRCS stands for Fellow of Royal College of Surgeons. This begins with consonant letter but is pronounced with a vowel sound F-A. An FRCS. Now, A and N are the indefinite articles. A means any, one, out of so many, not certain. So, indefinite articles A or N are used in many ways. They are used in the sense of one. One out of so many, in the sense of one, indefinite articles are used. Means a rupee, a man, a coin, a pencil, a pen, an ant, in the sense of one. A piece. It is used in the sense of a certain, not particular, one certain, not specific, not particular, but a certain. A man means a certain man, a cow means a certain cow. A beggar, a story. A story means certain story. A beggar means some certain beggar. It is also used to denote the class. A used with common noun denotes the class. For example, a cow is a useful animal. A cow means the whole group of class of cow. A dog is a faithful animal. A dog means the class of dogs. Thus, indefinite article a is also used to denote class. It is also used to denote every. Every means for example, in the sentence, he is paid 50 rupees a day, means every day. The servant is paid 50 rupees a day. A day means every day. Now, it is also used, these articles, indefinite articles A or N, are used before some common phrases. Some common phrases are also take article A or N. For example, as a rule, you should obey them. As a rule, one should come in due time. As a rule, on a large scale, vaccines are produced on a large scale. Cloth is manufactured on a large scale. So on a large scale group of words, on a large scale. A severe pain, a bitter cold, a headache or an overage, at a loss. Make a noise, group of words, a noise. Make a mistake, means a mistake. Thus, articles A or N are determiners to determine one certain thing, person, place, object. They are used before countable nouns. They are used before common nouns. A and N are indefinite articles. A and N denote some certain thing, person or place, not particular person or place. Thus, about article the, we shall learn in next lecture. Till then, practice them, A or N, and try to develop a natural habit of speaking the articles in your speech or language. Thank you.